Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to change Twitch to dark mode on Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's start it. First, we go to the Twitch application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitch here. And the next, you can see there is have a symbol in the upper of the left corner, or if you have been to switch for photos or profile, you can click the profile in the upper of the left corner. Next, click the account settings, and there is have the preference. Click on the preference. Okay, it's very simple way to do it about the enable dark mode. You just to slide away the symbol of the enable dark mode, slide away until it has the purple color, and it automatically make your Twitch to the dark mode. Okay, switch this symbol, and you can see your Twitch now has the dark mode. I think it's enough about the how to change Twitch to dark mode on Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.